rice that I cooked yesterday. And the sun is so much. I'm not even able to eat the rice because of the stone. You see, I'm supposed to cook rice now, but because of the stone, I'm very, see, you see stone. Upon I wash it 2 times, but stone is on it very much. Honestly, this is local rice. Wait, so this is my yam. I will mix it with this potato because my children, they love potato a lot. So I'm going to mix the yam and potato. Let's see if the yam is okay. And this yellow yam, I don't like them. It doesn't work for me. So this is the, I've put the yam already. Unfortunately, some of the yam changed color. I don't know why. Or is it because of his new yam? So some of them change color. I don't like yam that is like this. I prefer white yam. As you can see this one, you will know that this one is white yam. Okay, so I'm done peeling it. Give me the pot. Let's put it in the pot. I have hot water already in the fire because when I was peeling the yam, the fire was wasting. So I have to put hot water. I think in the next how many minutes my yam will be ready. So that is it. The process. So cover it, allow our yam to boil. So this is the rice. I think my baby boy gonna eat this one. I want to eat rice, so let me ask 2 for him. So let's check the yam. Yeah, still remaining. It hasn't done. So it's still gonna allow you to cook for some minutes. Let's check the yam. He has done now. He has done. You video me. So let us teach you some finish. Shift the video is hot. So let's see the yam. I've filtered the water. Orange.